Hi, everybody. So, in today's episode of IC Project, I'm going to tell you how to build a project structure. So, let's go to this project section here and let's check out this project, Abbey Road, London. So, basically, this is an advanced type of project in ICP because it has a higher level of organization, which is the stage. The stage is comprised out of Kanban boards. Let's have a look. You see, so this is a classic Kanban board, which is a part of a higher level of organization, which is in IC project a stage. So how to add a new stage and how to add a Kanban board. So basically just click new stage, click an advanced option, set start and end date. You might want to use this type mode to, further, for example, organize your work. Of course, users can remove only tasks they created. This is a feature which I've already discussed in the project section, project video. But just to sum up, the users can only delete their own tasks, right? So I cannot delete somebody else's task. So I given some sort of description. I can use a template if I saved one, that is, and I just save it. Yeah, just give it a name. So stage 2, for example. And this is how you create a stage. You might want to add a Kanban board here, right? And you just repeat the task. Yeah. So Kanban 2, board open or in preparation. That's an option. And I might want to stop at this point. So whenever I want to plan ahead, I just check this option, board in preparation. So this is a way that, I basically do not notify any users of this board. And when the time comes, I just switch it to board open, and then the system, assigns all the users. And by sending the notifications to these users, and it becomes, visible to other users of IC project. Just save it. And there you go. You have a structure. So basically, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to drop a like or drop a comment, ask me questions. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. So thanks a lot. See you again in the next episode.